All right, what's up, y'all? What up? What up? So, updates as far as the flip challenge. So, we have pretty much got started this week. I gave y'all the announcement a few weeks ago that the upcoming challenge was coming, and then I dropped y'all the YouTube video, just kind of giving y'all an insight of how we're going to be doing things. So, if y'all took advantage of the opportunity, again, it was completely free. Then y'all are locked in, y'all are in, y'all are set. So we did take our first trade this week, which is in profit. I'm going to give you guys updates on pretty much just how our whole week went this week overall as a community. And then we'll highlight in on UJ and where the account currently is. So this week we were looking at the DXY, which I'm not sure why it's not showing my DXY. Okay, there it goes. So this week we were looking at the DXY for a movement towards the downside. So two areas, we're either going to be looking for price action to grab liquidity here and then continue down to take first target liquidity area range, their second target here range, or we're going to go up, tap the trend pivot and then go towards the downside. So we ended up melting straight from this area, which is beautiful. I am expecting further downside on the USD. Um, I'm sorry, the DXY. So USD, same thing. I actually expected to take this low as well. So I'm pretty sure over the next, we might close this gap, but then again, we might not. So we're probably just going to end up continuing down and taking that low, which is just going to shoot us into crazy profits for the rest of our trades that we've been looking at this week. So DXY went beautiful this week. We also had an intraday GBP USD opportunity as well. I want to share with y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm sure with y'all need trading view also. So if y'all are new, make sure y'all are following us on trading view. Second. So here's our trading view platform. Y'all can where's our profile? It's over here. So let me go here, my post. So this was GU. So I did post it on our trading view as well. So just if you're new to our whole community, FXK trading code, this is our trading view. We've literally been on trading view since I think what 2016. 2016. So I'm kind of on and off here. So I've been trying to get a little bit more active lately. So again, I've been trading for like literally 11, going on 11 years. So it's been a while for me. But that's our trading view, as well as for those of y'all that are new to the stream. Here's our broker. So this is the broker that we're using, and this is the broker that we're using for the challenge. So you have to be under this broker in order to be a part of the challenge. Y'all can watch the first video that I dropped, a part of the challenge, which kind of explains how to get set up with the broker. But this is the broker that we're pretty much using for the challenge. It's the only broker that I trust. The link to the broker is down below in the description. I just mainly trust them because I get my withdrawals. I have no issues. I don't really have any of those manipulation problems. I mean, no broker's going to be perfect, right? But out of all of the brokers, this one issues very, very, very minimum. Literally maybe the last issue, I can't even recall the last issue to be honest with y'all, and I've been using it for a minute, but it's probably been like 1 or 2 years, which is great because most brokers literally every other week you're having issues. So it's just annoying. So I just completely love them, man. I back them up 100%. Always got my withdrawals, never had a problem with my withdrawals. I get my money fast within 10, 15 minutes. I deposit via Ethereum and I withdraw via Ethereum. So that might play a part in also getting my withdrawals pretty fast. So GU is another trade that we dropped out to the public. Also, if you are in the community chat room, something's in my eye, it's bothering the shit out of me. If you are in the community chat room, then I did drop a video in the chat room, which the link down below is for the chat room. Let me show y'all. So where are we? So I dropped y'all a recording in the chat room. In the chat room, I think the recording was yesterday. In the chat room, all of these trades are in the recording. So as you can see, updates, me dropping all the updates for DXY, everything's going in the money, even on UJ, everything, just kind of all these updates. So if y'all are interested in learning how to trade, questions, things like that, y'all can join the chat room, ask me. I'll try to help y'all as much as I can. But here's that video that I dropped yesterday on June 10th. I'm going over all of these trades actually before any of the moves happened. So you could have caught this buy on GN. I also was looking at a buy on GBP NZD today, but it took off without me, so I missed this one. But another beautiful trade. We did capitalize on gold this week. Man, we tore gold up. We had we had what, three trades on gold, two wins, one loss. So beautiful week on gold overall. This is the last trade that we took, which was from here over the last 24 hours. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's like 400 pips right now. And UJ. So UJ, this is one of the trades that we decided to take on our flip count this week. As you can see, UJ is looking beautiful. I'll go ahead and hang over now to the account. So here is the account. So we start off with $75. As the spreads and everything kind of changes, that kind of knocks this down a few cents here and there. So you'll notice that as we kind of go through the challenge, that's just normal if you've been trading. But other than that, man, we are up right now. So we are looking good. What we're about 20%, 20, 20-ish percent. By the time this trade finishes, we'll probably be at maybe 50%. No, we'll probably be at maybe like 75% gains on this. Yeah, most likely like 75% gain. So almost a complete 100% flip just on the first trade. So far we're looking good. Once it breaks down a little bit more, we're gonna be going risk free. So again, if you're in the group, I'll let you know when to go risk free. Um, as far as the flip group. So again, for those of y'all that are new watching the video, this is pretty much for the flip challenge. I started another challenge for y'all. This is for the public. I'm just letting well, it's closed now, but I was letting everybody join and kind of follow with me. So every trade that I make on the account, y'all are able to follow and make the same exact money. I am giving out the exact entry, stop loss, TP, the amount that you need to risk, the full everything. So when I open the trade, close the trade, everything. I close it early, whatever I do on the trade, I tell you immediately. Like I actually tell y'all before I do it on my account. So you know first before I even get to do it. So this is like a true flip challenge to where there should be no excuse why you can't follow step by step. And see the exact same gains as a professional trader. So y'all have everything y'all need, man. So I just hope y'all have fun, enjoy the opportunity, because not everybody is doing like real opportunities. Most people are just scamming y'all and just acting like they're doing the flip challenge or just showing y'all little bits of it and not like giving y'all the full, you know what I'm saying, like full raw. So this is like 100% raw, no gimmicks, no games. We follow every move. I'm literally documenting everything and I'm posting all these YouTubes just to show y'all the progress. So again, first trade, y'all can see right now we're in profit. We're going to be going risk free on this, and most likely tonight. So this is one pretty much booked in, and we'll be working on our next trade next week. There won't be any more trades this week, most likely. So we'll be waiting for next week to look at our next opportunity. But this is pretty much where the account is at right now, man. So everything looking good. All of our trades looking beautiful. I'm pretty much done for the week. I'm not entering anything else new, just going to be continuing letting everything else run. So other than that, that's really all I have for y'all, man. Just want to hop on, give y'all these updates for the flip challenge so y'all can see how everything is going and give y'all a little insight of how everything's going on our regular trading week for the mentor students. Other than that, man, that's all I got for y'all. Again, if you have any questions, y'all can look down in the description below for more information. If y'all are interested in trading with our broker, the link to our broker is down below. Other than that, I will catch y'all on the next update, man. Y'all have a great trading week, trade safe, and that's all I got for y'all. Peace.